Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have already practiced the first 3 questions of exercise 5.2. So today we will be doing the rest of the questions of this exercise. So students, have a look at the fourth question. What is the fourth question of this exercise? Find the value of x in each of the following figures if L is parallel to M. These are 2 lines and these lines are given parallel to us. Okay, we are given that L and M are parallel to each other and we have to find the value of x. Okay students, let this angle be y. Okay students, let this angle be y. Have a look students, this is 110 degree and this is angle y. Okay, so by this line L is a straight line. Okay, so line L is straight line. So students, 110 degree plus y is equals to 180 degree. Okay, because on the straight line the angle sum is equals to 180 degree. Okay, इन दोनों angles का जो sum होगा वो 180 degree होगा. So अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस 110 को 180 की जगह पे transpose करेंगे. We'll transpose this 110 from the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, and it will be minus 110. Okay, so 180 degree minus 110, it will become 180 minus 110 is equals to 70 degree. Okay students, now this y is equals to 70 degree, right students? Now have a look at this y and x. If we are given that these 2 lines are parallel, then it means that by the property of corresponding angles, students, these 2 angles are also equal. Okay, so y is equals to x, that is equals to 70 degree by corresponding angle property. Okay students, so it means that angle x is equals to 70 degree. Okay, so this is your solution. Have a look at the another question students. What is it? The second question is you have to find the value of x. Again you are given that M line is parallel to M line. Okay students, have a look. This is 110, this is 80 and this is x. Okay, if these 2 lines are parallel students, then it is clear that these 2 angles are corresponding angles, and if the lines are parallel then the corresponding angles, the pair of corresponding angles are equal. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हमें 2 lines parallel दे रखी हों तो उन lines के अंदर जो corresponding angles बनते हैं उनका pair आपस में equal होता है. Okay students, so this 110 degree is equals to x because of corresponding angles. Because of corresponding angles. Okay students, so in this way this angle x will be equal to 110 degree. Okay students, now looking at the fifth question. What is the fifth question students? This is, in the given figure the arms of 2 angles are parallel. Okay, the arms given to us are parallel. Okay, if angle ABC is 70 degree, if ABC, A, B and C is 70 degree, if this angle is 70 degree students, then you need to find out what is this angle. That means DGC, D, G and C, you have to find this angle DGC. Okay, in the first part we are given that the arms are parallel. Okay, in this finger the arms are parallel, so it means this AB line is parallel to this line. Which line? DG line. Okay, DE line, whereas BC is transversal. Okay, where this BC is transversal. Okay students, हमने क्या देखा कि ये दोनों lines क्या हैं? Because arms हैं ये दोनों, इस फिगर के अंदर ये दोनों आर्म्स बन रही हैं और अगर ये दोनों आर्म्स आपस में पैरेलल हैं तो ये BC जो है वो क्या है, इसका ट्रांसवर्सल है. ट्रांसवर्सल बिकॉज ये इन्हीं दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस को अलग अलग एंगल्स पे अलग अलग पॉइंट्स पे कट करके जा रहा है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो ये ट्रांसवर्सल हुआ, ये पैरेलल आर्म्स हुई, तो ये जो दोनों एंगल्स हैं ये कौन से एंगल्स बनेंगे, ये एंगल्स बनेंगे कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. और हमें पता है कि अगर लाइंस पैरेलल हों और कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स बने तो वो दोनों एंगल्स आपस में इक्वल होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द सॉल्यूशन टू दिस इज, सो angle ABC will be equal to angle 70 which is equal to angle DGC. C angle. Okay, students, this is the thing because of corresponding angles. Okay, students, corresponding angles. This is because of corresponding angles, students. Looking at the another question, what is it? The another question, the second part, students, now you need to find out this angle. Angle DEF, this one angle. These two angles are 70 degree. We know this thing. Have a look, students. We are given that the arms of two angles are parallel. So basically now we can say that this BC line and this line EF, these two lines are parallel and DG is the transversal because DG is cutting these two parallel lines at two different points. Okay, students. So line BC is parallel to EF, whereas DE line is the transversal. Right. अब हमें पता है कि ये दोनों लाइंस क्या हैं, पैरेलल हैं और ये लाइन इसकी ट्रांसवर्सल है. तो अगर ये दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल है और ये इसकी ट्रांसवर्सल है तो ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल क्या होगा, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स होंगे. और अगर लाइंस पैरेलल है तो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आपस में इक्वल होंगे. So students, the answer of this is angle DEF is equals to angle DGC, which is equal to 70 degree because of being corresponding angles, because of being corresponding angles. Okay, students, this is the answer. Now look at the sixth question, students. What is the sixth question? In the given figure below, decide whether L is parallel to M. Now you have to check whether L is parallel to M or not. Okay, so we have to find this thing out. Okay, so students, if these two lines will be parallel, then it means that it will be following all the properties of the transversal with the parallel lines. Okay, so it means that the interior angles, okay students, the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay students, that are lying on the same side of transversal. This is the property. So if L and M are parallel, then the sum of interior angles on same side of transversal should be 180 degree, right? Have a look students, this is angle 126 and this is 44. Check it out whether the sum of this is 180 degree or not. This is 170 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree students, because we know that if these two lines would have been parallel, the sum of these two angles should be 180 degree, because हमें पता है कि अगर lines parallel होंगी तो फिर जो एक ही साइड के अंदर ट्रांसवर्सल के अंदर जो इंटीरियर एंगल्स होंगे उनका जो सम होगा वो 180 डिग्री होगा, जबकि इन दोनों एंगल्स का सम क्या आ रहा है 170 डिग्री, जो कि 180 नहीं है. So it means M line is not parallel to M. Okay students, so this is the solution. Have a look at the second part students. What is the second part saying? Now you have to check whether L is parallel to M. Okay, if these two lines are parallel, you have to check this thing. So if these two lines are parallel students, first of all, this angle and this angle, these two angles are forming the vertically opposite angles. So if this is 75, this will also be 75 degree, right? And now we know that students, the sum of the interior angles of the same side of transversal should be 180 degree, so that these two lines should be parallel. Okay students, so check 75 degree plus 75 degree, which is equal to 150 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. So it means L is not parallel to M. Alright students, हमें कैसे पता लगा? बिकॉज हमें पता है कि ये 75 है, अगर ये 75 है तो ये वाला एंगल क्या होगा? ये भी 75 होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स। अब ये 75 है तो इन दोनों का हमने सम किया तो कितना आ रहा है? 150 डिग्री आ रहा है, जबकि हमें पता है कि अगर दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल होंगी तो इनके इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम जो होगा, जो कि एक ही साइड के ट्रांसवर्सल पे बिलोंग करेंगे, उनका सम क्या होगा? 180 डिग्री होगा, जबकि ये क्या है? 150 डिग्री। दैट मीन्स कि दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल ही नहीं है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, look at the next question students. What is it? The next question is, you have to find out whether L is parallel to M. Okay students, now these two lines should be parallel if the sum of the same thing. Okay students, now have a look students, this thing, okay, 123 degree, and what is this angle? 123 degree plus, let it be x first of all, plus this x is equals to 180 degree because of being linear pair. Okay, linear pair, the pair of angles that are forming or on the straight line should be 180 degree. Okay students, the sum of those angles. Now transpose this 123 from the left hand side to the right hand side and it will become minus 123. So this x will turn out to be 57 degree. Okay students, now what is this x students? This is 57 degree. Okay students, this is 57 degree. Okay, now this is 57, this is 57. These two are corresponding angles, and we know that if the lines are parallel then the corresponding angles are equal, and clearly these two angles are equal. That means that these two lines are parallel. Okay students, so 57, that is equals to x is equals to 57 corresponding angles. So M is parallel to L. Okay students, so that is why M is parallel to M. Okay students, next question. So the fourth part students, clearly 72 degree, this is the vertically opposite angle. Okay, so this is also 72 degree, right? So 72 degree is equals to 72 degree. Now these two angles, the sum of these two angles should be equal to 180 degree. Let us check. This is equal to 170 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. So it means that M and L are not parallel. Okay, is not possible. Okay students, why? Because the sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal should be 180 degree in the case of lines to be parallel. Okay students, so these are the first 6 questions of this exercise students. So today we have completed the chapter 5. So in our next class we will be doing the next chapter of your syllabus. Okay, till this students, do study hard at your home. We will be meeting in your next class. Bye bye.